Black Myth Wukong, all transformations. Welcome back gamers, today we're exploring the incredible transformations of Sun Wukong in Black Myth Wukong. As you may know, the Monkey King is known for his unique shape-shifting abilities, and this game brings that aspect of life in amazing ways. Let's dive into all the transformations you can experience. In Black Myth Wukong, transformations are a core gameplay mechanic that allows you to adapt to different situations in combat and exploration. First up is the iconic Monkey King transformation. In this form, Wukong showcases his agility and combat prowess. Players can perform quick, acrobatic attacks, dodging enemies and delivering powerful strikes. This transformation emphasizes speed and versatility. Next, we have the Dragon transformation. This form grants Wukong powerful elemental abilities, enabling him to unleash devastating fire or water attacks. Then there's the Stone Warrior transformation. In this form, Wukong gains immense strength and durability. Another exciting transformation is the bird form. In this state, Wukong can take to the skies, giving players aerial advantages in combat. Next up is the Insect transformation. This ability allows Wukong to move stealthily and evade detection. Lastly, we have the Beast transformation. In this form, Wukong embodies various mythical creatures, enhancing his physical attributes and abilities. The Beast transformation allows for brutal, raw power in combat. And there you have it. Those are all the transformations of Sun Wukong in Black Myth in a very quick description. Each transformation not only adds depth to the gameplay but also showcases the rich mythology behind the story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.